You know, I have no idea if the racquetballs were a shitty idea to fill up space, but I just got the idea it was. So I just stopped the tumbler half a day into it, and I want to convert this 15 pounder to a 10 pounder, right? So I used 2 cutting boards, cheap IKEA cutting boards, and glued these little spacers on it. So I'm just going to jam this down here and see if this works. Might be another shitty idea, but it should be pretty form-fitting around the corners. And that is it. So we'll see if this works. I'm sure water is going to leak out here, but it'll keep the rocks kind of contained and rubbing against them. So that's the only goal. All right. I'll let you know in a month if this is another shitty idea. All right. Bye.